the idea that they're building one-to-one sets, but then concentrate so much on minor details as well. It's a really nice balance between the two.
Art and design students getting back to basics, getting back to actually making things on a full scale.
Students can work imaginatively and collaboratively to realise really exciting outcomes.
Got lots of cardboard here. The roll is usually really good for like making walls. Yeah. Same as the sheet, stuff you want to make inside. That's just the simple guy.
It's a workshop that allows people to really put the computers away, to stop worrying too much about the final outcome, and to really engage with the process of making with their hands and thinking really quickly and responding to kind of challenges and problems along the way.
We started the Joy of Sets workshop a few years ago. It was inspired by the idea that thinking through making is a really valuable process that we thought could be encouraged more in different educational scenarios.
And just asking the students to respond quickly and be imaginative. Often something like science fiction lends itself to that, purely because you can kind of dream up the impossible and make it real.
During this workshop, as it was only a 3-day thing, we didn't really have a lot of time to like plan what we were doing. So that was kind of the thing that I liked the most, because I usually spend so much time like thinking about what we're going to do, like doing sketches, which we did have like 5-10 minutes to do. But the fact that we just started making.
Being with everyone and having a good time and just trying to figure out in what way we can make all the different things out of cardboard, and what things we'll have difficulties with and what will be easy to make.
It's just really fun because you're working with like a massive scale. You don't really do that normally. Normally like sketch something out, whatever. Or like, I mean, myself, I like to build things anyway, but they're not always like this grand scale, you know, it's a fucking set.
It really helped me to engage in group projects and to also listen to other people's opinions. Because usually I quite focus on my own opinions and own works.
Working with Joe and Nick on this has been really invaluable for our students.
IDA have been really good to us over the years. We've actually done a few workshops with them now, and
They always have fantastic ideas that they realise in really brilliant ways, so it's often the case that we all learn from them just as much as they can learn from us.